Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS Glowing Text effect. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create HTML template and title is CSS Glowing Text. Inside the body we want to add a span and inside this we want to type CSS styles. Save the file. Refresh, the text is visible. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0 and padding 0. Box sizing is border box. Save the file. Refresh, the margin is okay. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center and height 100 bh, width 100%, and we want to add background color that was #262626 ff. Save the file. Refresh, the background color is okay. Let's start to style our span. Inside this we want to add font color that was coral and font size is 70 pixel, font weight bold and font family is mono space, and we want to add letter spacing 2 pixel and cursor is pointer. Save the file. Refresh. Text design is okay. Let's create span over. Inside this we want add animation. Animation name was word. 1 second linear infinity. And we want to add text shadow. 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color is coral. Let's create our animation. Keyframes and animation name word. Inside this 0%, filter, hue rotate that was 0 degree, and copy this 0% and paste it, and this is 100%, this is 360 degree. Save the file. Refresh. The glowing effect is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.